What is up, everybody? Michael here from Anchor Tech, and after a 2-3 year hiatus, I am back. But luckily, I'm back on a good note, and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. We're shooting this video without a script, without anything. It's just going to be completely just as it is. And yeah, so I just got this phone in the mail from UPS. This is the first time I've ever had an iPhone on launch day, which is awesome. I was going to get the blue or the silver or the gold, literally anything but the graphite, but I ended up getting graphite for some reason. 256 gigabytes, and I'm super excited to open this. I know that many unboxings are already on YouTube, but I'm not a big tech channel, and this is the day that everyone else can get these phones. So, in Apple fashion, there is a pull tab, and there goes our plastic. And here's the box. Oh yeah, I mean, just like everyone's mentioned, I'm sure most people watching this have seen a review. The box is smaller because environmental reasons, and that's why they choose not to include the 20-watt charger, or charging brick at least. You get the USB to Lightning charger, but the lack of that, I'm not going to really get into it, but it just is a money move. It's not for the environment. But we can have a whole conversation. Wow, that is a big camera. So first impressions, seeing the phone. Oh wait, first. Oh my god. Okay, it's hefty. It is heavy. First impressions, this phone looks great. I do like the graphite quite a lot. It kind of looks greenish. The sides, though, oh my gosh, the sides are very shiny. So we don't have like the plastic coating, but we have this paper-like thing, I guess. I don't know why it's paper now, but it is probably some environmental thing. But wow, look at those sides. Those are shiny. I really do like the graphite, honestly. So wow, that's cool. We'll put that aside for a second. Then we get a Lightning to a USB-C, designed by Apple in California with the typical SIM tool and all that stuff. And that is it for the box. So I actually do not have Apple Care on this yet. It feels very nice in the hand. Like, this is a good feeling phone. I didn't think that I would like the size. I was honestly thinking I'd probably return this and get the regular iPhone 12 Pro, but I actually really like this. I'm probably going to keep this one. So I'm going to take this off, and we're going to boot it up. And I actually got accessories. I got a case, which I don't know if I'm sold on this color yet. And I also bought cheap screen protectors on Amazon before I got this phone, because I don't want to scratch the screen, because I've heard these screens are very scratchable. So once we take this off, I'm going to cut I'm going to go apply a screen protector, and then I will see you after that. So here's the moment. Here's the moment that everyone loves. Oh, yes. And there we go. The screen protector is off. So I'll be back with you in just a second. Okay, so I'm glad I did not get that screen protector application on camera, because it took like 30 minutes, and it's very botched. There are probably, it's not that bad, but it's sideways. There's stuff in the screen, so we'll have to apply another one later. But this is the first time we are starting the phone. Okay, it does have battery. That is great. I did buy this I think it's called California Poppy case, thinking it was orange. It looks very orange in some lights. Like right now it looks orange. But oh my goodness, this screen. Okay, first impressions, the screen looks great. I do have so many little hair things in there from my awesome screen protector. So I will set this up, and then I will be right back. So I finished setting up the phone, and something I've noticed while I'm setting it up, I was really afraid that this phone would be too big. I do have really big hands, but I still, from all the things I heard from the people who got this phone early, I thought that this phone would be way too big. But I think it is a great size. And let's swipe up, and I don't have a SIM in here yet, but I think the phone is great. Like, it probably reachability for this top corner is going to be hard, but either way, I think the phone is awesome. I think it looks great. So yeah, stay tuned for my review, my real review. That's not biased, not anything, because I'm not afraid to rail into this phone. So before I leave, I am going to show you what this case looks like on it. I don't want to put the phone down because I don't want to hurt it, because I just got it. But it's a orange-ish MagSafe case. Oh, we'll see the little MagSafe animation, I believe. So just plop the phone in the case. Oh, and there we go. There's our little MagSafe thing. Let's get my face. And there it is. So thank you guys for watching. Please, as I said, stay tuned for the review, and I will see you in the next video.